Hello students, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am also fine. Students, today we will learn about animals. Students, name the animals that can fly. It is a bat. Bat is an animal, but it can fly. Students, do you know the animals that lay eggs in nests? No? Okay. Students, some animals live in the trees, like monkey lives in tree. Students, let us see some different type of birds. There are many birds. See here, parrot, eagle, duck, vulture. Okay? Yes. See on this page, speak the name of words. Okay? Like ostrich. Students know birds can fly, but do you know ostrich is a bird, but it cannot fly? Okay, open your book I Can Achiever level 3, page number 60. Students, read the name of birds and then match them with the picture. Okay, read EAGLE, eagle, VULTURE, vulture, PARROT, parrot, PIGEON, pigeon, PEACOCK, peacock, OSTRICH, ostrich. Students, match the names with the birds. Okay, let us read a rhyme. 5 little owls. 5 little owls on a branch by the share. A squirrel scampered by, and then there were 4. 4 little owls perched high up in a tree. The wind shook one off, and then there were 3. 3 little owls with nothing fun to do. One got very weird, and then there were 2. 2 little owls just having some fun. A bear came along, and then there was 1. 1 little owl winked at the setting sun, flew into the forest, and then there were none. Right? Students, let's do an activity. Take a scrapbook, then collect the pictures of birds. Pictures of birds. Students, paste these pictures on the scrapbook. Okay? Students, do you know birds have different type of beaks? Some birds have hooked beak like parrot, eagle, etc. Students, what type of a beak a sparrow has? Sparrow has a small beak. A beak is used for eating. Some birds have powerful beak with a sharp hook at the tip. How many beak does a bird have?
One.
A bird has
One.
one beak. Okay? Students, let's learn about initial sound words. Initial sound words, same sound, begins with same letter like ape, acorn, angel, aim, April, apron, apricot, eight, first aid. Duck, dead, dancing, dolphin, deer, dance, dice, dinosaur. Students, you can speak many more words that commence with same letter. Okay, let's do one activity. Students, let's do one activity. Take one sheet and draw any letter like this. Yes. Which letter is this? This is a B. B for ball, bat. Now, which letter is this? This is a small b. Okay? Yes. B for boy. Capital B, small b. Students, now which letter is this? Yes. Yes. Erase it. Yes. You can use eraser. For drawing this letter, you can use stencil also. Okay? Yes. Which letter is this? I. Ice cream, ink, small I. After drawing this, color it. Yes. Don't spread color here and there. Okay. You can draw any letter of your name. Yes. Write neatly. Write neatly. Very good. Yes. Color like this. Okay. Yes, you can use different type of colors. Students, after doing this, keep your all things on proper place. Show your creation to your family members. Good. Yes. Draw and speak loudly. Any word that commences with I. Yes. Ice. Ice cream. Ink. You can speak a rhyme. Incy wincy. Spider. Okay. Good. Students, let's do an activity. take one scrap, paste different type of animals and make a collage by using different fabric pieces. You can take it from your mother, from any tailor. Okay, different pattern such as striped, dotted, boxes, etc. Students, firstly paste the picture on scrapbook. Okay, then decorate the pictures with these fabric pieces. Okay, yes, students, then show it to your parents, to your family members. After doing this, sit with your family members and talk about the things you have done since morning. Like you have learned about birds' beaks, animals, okay, where they live. Good? Yes. Students, brush your teeth twice a day. Do not eat candies. Right? Cut your nails regularly. Play with your friends and siblings. Do not watch TV. Read your books. Do your homework on time. Okay? Students, don't throw your things here and there. Help your parents in their work. Keep your things on proper place. Read your books daily. Okay? Do activities as you learned in this video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.